our celestial neighborhood, the Milky Way, home to about 1,000 million more stars than our own. Each solar system holds countless possibilities, but also countless threats. Our humble blue marble, an astounding 4.5 billion years old, full of rich ecosystems and home to intellectual life as we know it. With our fast-paced society, celestial catastrophes aren't a common thing to worry about. But do you ever wonder about the dangers that lie beyond the stars? An asteroid about 60 miles in diameter would have the power to deem Earth uninhabitable. While small compared to the size of our planet, the fallout from the debris would prevent any sunlight from hitting the surface. Didymos, an asteroid considered a near-Earth object and a potential threat. Its moon asteroid, Dimorphos, is the target of NASA's DART satellite. The DART's mission is to change the asteroid's orbit by colliding into it. This could prove a similar approach could work if a larger asteroid were hurling towards Earth. September 26, 2022. The DART satellite hit Dimorphos at the speed of over 14,000 miles per hour, resulting in a large plume of space debris. The collision left Dimorphos with a streaming trail of debris which reflects a blue tint. Scientists confirmed Dimorphos' orbit was cut down by 32 minutes, giving us hope we could change an asteroid's trajectory if it were heading right toward us. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope allows us to peer into the cosmos unlike ever before, showing researchers many of the dangerous phenomena taking place around us. The largest explosion known to man, a supernova, arises when a massive star runs out of fuel. The immense gravity causes the star to collapse almost instantaneously, leaving a cloud of dust and gas in its wake. If this occurs close to Earth, we would lose our atmosphere, making Earth uninhabitable. While our sun isn't massive enough to go supernova, it remains a large powerhouse constantly releasing large amounts of energy. In the spring of 2021, NASA's Parker probe became the first artificial object to graze the sun's corona. Observing how the sun's surface functions is a key component to researchers, with a focus on solar flares. The intense magnetic fields that hold our sun together get tangled and pulled. Pulled too far, they will break. These are called solar flares. The released radiation and magnetic waves are carried by solar wind, which could hit the Earth. One large enough could act as an EMP, disabling all of Earth's electronics. The Parker probe is strong enough to withstand more than 1 million degrees Fahrenheit and the charged particles streaming along the sun's corona. The more we understand about our sun's surface, the more prepared we are in the case of a solar catastrophe. The Artemis missions are some of NASA's biggest missions to date. The goal of the third Artemis mission is to reintroduce astronauts to the lunar surface in 2025, where they will live for an entire month. Researchers say this is the next step to learning how to colonize planets beyond the moon. The mission could teach us how to live in space, giving humanity a fleeting chance if there were a mass devastation event back on Earth. Once scientists create self-sustainable habitats on other celestial bodies, who knows just where the human species may find themselves.